Acne can be stubborn and seem to pop up at the worst times. You probably have tried many products to get rid of acne, which can be very expensive and can't be afforded by everybody. The bad news is that some acne products can cause side effects like redness, discoloration, or dryness. For this reason, some people prefer treating acne at home with natural solutions like a face mask. Face masks are one of our favorite skincare practices. The milder the acne, the more easily it can be treated at home. For mild acne, you might be surprised to learn that you already have several acne remedies in your own home, and in your kitchen of all places. You can mix common foods and ingredients, such as cucumbers, oatmeal, grapes, and yeast, into a facial mask and create an acne treatment. A homemade facial may help prevent or clear acne, as well as keep your skin glowing, moistured, and healthy. Here are some DIY home remedies facial masks you can try to get rid of acne for good. 1. Oatmeal Mask for sunburned skin. Oatmeal is often the first ingredient in a mask to treat red, inflamed, or sunburned skin. When combined with the soothing properties of chamomile and honey, this mask is the perfect choice for that post-sun experience. Grind 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 to 3 drops of chamomile essential oil, half a tablespoon of honey, and few drops of water to make a thick paste. Apply to sunburned areas of your face for 10 minutes or until the heat starts to dissipate. Remove with cool or room temperature water and a washcloth. 2. Grape Cleanser. Grapes are a refreshing snack, whether eaten plain as a snack, halved as a salad topping, or frozen as a healthy dessert. Grapes are filled with vitamin C and antioxidants. Grapes can help to revitalize your skin. Cut 2 or 3 grapes in half and directly rub the flesh over your face and neck. Rinse it after 10 minutes. 3. Turmeric Face Mask for acne-prone skin. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory and can help reduce inflammation in the skin. Powder or plant, turmeric can be turned into a paste for topical application. Mixing it with honey, an antioxidant-rich product that's also naturally antibacterial and antimicrobial, may help soothe inflamed skin and prevent future breakouts. Mix together 1/2 teaspoon turmeric and 1 tablespoon honey. Apply it to your face. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wash it off warm water. 3. Cucumber and Oatmeal Face Mask for inflamed skin. Cucumbers have skin-soothing and hydrating benefits, so if your skin is inflamed from acne, cucumbers may offer a modest calming benefit. Make a paste by blending 1 small cucumber and 1 cup of oatmeal. Mix 1 teaspoon of this paste with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse well with warm water. Or, mash 1 whole cucumber, strain the water, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and mix well. Apply to your face and leave it on for 10 minutes. Then wash with cold water. 4. Honey Mask. Honey has many healing properties. It can also be used as a natural cough syrup and to relieve a sore throat. The antibacterial properties of honey may also promote the healing of burns and wound infections, and prevent the growth of acne. Before applying this mask, rinse your face with warm water. Then apply the honey and leave it on the skin for 30 minutes. Rinse the honey off with warm water. 5. Yeast and Yogurt Mask for oily skin. Yeast is a unique ingredient because it contains nutrients that have an incredible effect on blood circulation, skin metabolism, and hydration. Mix half a tablespoon of yogurt and half a tablespoon of yeast. Apply this mixture on your face and neck and wait for 30 minutes. You can wash your face with warm water, then use cold water to close the pores. 6. Oatmeal and Baking Soda Facial. The anti-inflammatory properties of oatmeal are naturally soothing and may relieve irritation caused by dermatological conditions like rashes, erythema, burns, itch, and eczema. Oatmeal has skin protecting, hydrating, and anti-inflammatory benefits. Mix together 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and enough water to form a paste. Smooth the paste all over your face and gently rub it in. Rinse thoroughly afterward. 7. Honey and Cinnamon Steam Mask. Honey has antimicrobial, which helps kill acne-causing bacteria. Meanwhile, cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. First, wash your face with your cleanser. Afterward, gently pat the area dry. Then, mix the honey and cinnamon together into a paste. Apply the mixture to affected areas. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, rinse off completely with warm water. You can also steam your face while you have the mask on. This helps the ingredients to really get into your skin. 8. Aloe Vera and Turmeric or Green Tea for oil control and sensitive skin. Aloe is a natural calming ingredient. It can be helpful if acne is very inflamed and irritated to help calm the skin. This plant also has naturally occurring salicylic acid and sulfur, which makes it an ideal opponent of acne, especially for folks with oily skin. Blend 2 tablespoons of aloe vera or gel with turmeric or green tea until it turns into a paste. Then apply to your face. Finally, wash it with warm water after 30 minutes. 9. Coconut and oatmeal face mask for dry skin. Coconut oil is high in lauric acid, which helps kill the bacteria that cause acne. Applying coconut oil to the skin can kill acne-causing bacteria and increase moisture, which may also reduce acne scarring. First, mix 1/4 cup warm water, 1/2 cup oatmeal, 1 tablespoon melted coconut oil in a bowl. Apply to the face and neck. You can thicken or thin the mask by adding or reducing the water. Once applied, let sit on the face for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse with warm water. 10. Strawberry and lime for refreshing skin. Strawberries are one of the best fruits for inflammatory skin. They are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which helps heal skin and reduce inflammation. Vitamin C also helps promote collagen production for glowing skin. Finally, the citric acid in lime juice helps whisk away dead skin while reducing bacteria and excess oil. First, mash 2 large strawberries and 1 tablespoon of lime juice together. Then, apply the mixture to your face and neck. Leave the mask on for 15 minutes and rinse off with lukewarm water. 11. Apple cider vinegar and oatmeal mask for exfoliation. Apple cider vinegar provides gentle exfoliation for all skin types. This oatmeal and ACV combination helps draw out excess oil and removes any dead skin cells that may be sitting atop the surface of the skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup oatmeal, and 1/4 cup of warm water in a bowl and apply to your face and neck. Leave on for 5 minutes, and remove with a warm washcloth. 12. Yogurt and strawberry. The lactic acid in yogurt helps dissolve dead skin and tighten pores. It also has soothing, hydrating properties. Lastly, strawberries are also high in salicylic acid, which you may recognize as an active ingredient in your favorite acne-fighting cleansers. Mash the 2 strawberries well in a bowl. Then, mix it with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Afterward, apply over your entire face. Leave the mixture on for 20 minutes. Finally, rinse with lukewarm water. 13. Baking soda and honey exfoliating mask. Baking soda has antimicrobial and antifungal properties that help absorb excess oil while gently exfoliating. Combine it with moisturizing coconut oil and antimicrobial honey for a very effective acne fighter. First, mix 1 tablespoon raw honey, 1 tablespoon baking soda, and 1 tablespoon coconut oil until they form a paste. Apply it over your face, avoiding your eyes, mouth, and eyebrows. Then, rub the paste in for 1 to 2 minutes in slow, circular motions. Leave it on for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, rinse the mask away with lukewarm water. 14. Avocado, Almond, and Honey Face Mask for dry skin. The fats, compounds, and vitamins found in avocados may help speed skin repair and improve chronic skin conditions like eczema and acne. Combining this with the antioxidants in honey, as well as the natural oils in almonds, will give your skin the moisture boost it needs. The ground almonds act as a gentle exfoliant, scrubbing away any dead skin and dirt. Firstly, mix 1/4 of an avocado, 2 tablespoons honey, and 2 tablespoons of finely ground almonds into a smooth paste. The smoother you can mash the avocado, the easier it will be to spread on your skin. Apply to your face with your fingers, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and a washcloth. 15. Yogurt and oatmeal mask for sensitive skin. If you're looking for a facial mask ideal for sensitive skin, this 2-ingredient mask is both calming and anti-inflammatory. You'll want to make sure the oatmeal is not flavored and does not have any additives. Instant oatmeal can even be used. Oatmeal has been a staple for sensitive skin recipes, especially when treating issues like eczema. Mix together 1/3 cup cooked oatmeal with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Apply with fingertips in a thick layer, leave on for 10 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. Follow with a soothing facial moisturizer or serum. 16. Banana mask for oily skin. Bananas are full of potassium, fiber, antioxidants, and silica. Combined with vitamin B6 and vitamin C, they're great for your skin. The banana in this face mask will help to absorb excess oil, while the lemon juice cleanses and olive oil will add moisture. First, smash 1 banana, 10 drops lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon olive oil into a smooth paste. Then, apply to your face with your fingers, and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and a washcloth. 17. Aloe vera and banana mask for flaky skin. Aloe vera is a power plant when it comes to treating skin maladies. Packed full of vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and enzymes, it's fantastic for dry, flaky skin. The enzymes help to exfoliate the skin in a very gentle manner, and the anti-inflammatory nature soothes irritation. Combined with bananas and almond oil, you've got a mask that will be cooling, soothing, and smoothing. Mix 1 mashed banana and 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel into a smooth paste, then add in the almond oil. Apply to your face with your fingers, and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and a washcloth. 18. Egg white and oatmeal mask for oily skin. Egg whites are often used in masks to tighten and tone skin, which essentially means they are helping to dry out the skin. Ground oats absorb oil and exfoliate dead skin that can clog pores. Add a bit of honey for its skin healing benefits. Whip together 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon honey until well combined. Add ground oats until you have a paste. Apply to your face, and massage gently into the skin. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes, and remove with warm water. 19. Apple cider vinegar, green tea, and honey acne face mask. Apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory properties which can exfoliate the skin, absorb excess oils and unplug blocked pores. Green tea has anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties and, therefore, is a beneficial ingredient in a mask for acne treatment. Honey may aid in softening and soothing the skin, retaining moisture, and regulating pH. Firstly, dilute vinegar by adding 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Then mix it with 2 tablespoons of green tea and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Then, apply the mask to your face using a cotton pad. Massage it in for a few minutes for exfoliation. Allow it to dry for 10 minutes. Rinse with water. Use this acne face mask once or twice a week for the best results. 20. Honey, oats, and avocados for moisturizing and hydrating face mask. This face mask is another one that uses the power combo of avocado and honey but also features oats. Again, the avocado is full of good fats, while the honey is healing, antibacterial, and is also a humectant, allowing the skin to retain moisture. This combination can allow your skin to draw out excess oil and moisturize skin. First, mix half mashed avocado, 1 tablespoon honey, and 2 tablespoons oats into a paste. Apply to your face with your fingers, and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and a washcloth. 21. Egg, lemon, and honey to brighten the skin. A potent combination of lemon, egg whites, and honey will see your skin looking bright and tight. The lemon acts as a cleanser, but the acid can also lighten discoloration and pigmentation. The egg whites will tighten the skin, while the honey allows the skin to retain moisture. The honey's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties will also soothe and prevent irritation. At first, whisk the egg white, half tablespoon honey, and half fresh lemon until it's foamy. Apply to your face, and leave it on for 30 minutes or until dry. The mask will tighten as it dries. Rinse with warm water and a washcloth. 22. Cinnamon and oatmeal face mask for pore cleansing. This is a great mask for those with oily or acne-prone skin. The natural acids in the apples and yogurt naturally exfoliate the skin, while the oatmeal soothes inflammation. And cinnamon is an antioxidant as well as a natural antibacterial and antifungal. Firstly, grind 1/2 green apple and 2 tablespoons yogurt until it becomes smooth, add the oatmeal, and give the mixture a couple of pulses. You want to break down the oatmeal but not puree it. Transfer to a clean bowl and stir in 1/2 tablespoon cinnamon. Apply the mask to your face with clean hands or a facial brush. Avoid the eye area. Let it sit for 15 minutes, and remove with warm water. Pat dry and follow with moisturizer. 23. Grapefruit and oatmeal mask for glowing skin. The natural acids in grapefruit and milk gently exfoliate and brighten skin and clear out pores, while oatmeal calms inflammation to soothe dry, winter skin. Take 1/2 cup of red grapefruit juice, 1/2 cup cooked, cooled oatmeal, and 1/2 cup milk. Mix the ingredients in a small bowl. Apply and leave on skin for 15 minutes, then rinse. 24. Garlic and milk face mask for clogged pores. Garlic works to prevent clogged pores, kill off acne-causing bacteria, and reduce inflammation. Garlic can sting if applied directly to the skin, so dilute it in water, jojoba oil, or aloe vera first. Jojoba hydrates without clogging pores, while the lactic acid in whole milk gently exfoliates. First cut garlic into finely minced, add jojoba oil in a small bowl. Then slowly add the milk, or honey or aloe, until you have a smooth consistency. Wear the mask for 5 to 10 minutes, then gently exfoliate the skin as you rinse with warm water. 25. Nutmeg and yogurt for healing spots. Nutmeg has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce redness and pigmentation. It helps tighten pores to reduce oiliness, exfoliate skin and boost hydration. Combine 3 acne fighters to shrink a pimple fast without leaving your skin dry or flaky. Take 1 crushed aspirin, 1/4 tablespoon nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon yogurt, mix them together to make a paste, and gently dab on your skin. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. Face masks are aimed at exfoliating, rejuvenating, and smoothing your skin. Since the skin on your face is comparatively more sensitive than that of other body parts, it is important to test facial products on a small patch of skin before using them. If the acne persists or aggravates despite proper skincare, it is best to consult a dermatologist for any underlying problems that may be present. Thank you for watching. Give your thumbs up if you liked this video. If you want more health tips and tricks, you can subscribe to the channel.